Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Batch script. Ant means which target? Correct. If you know, Maven means what we call it in Maven? I don't know.
Goals.
Goal, yeah. In Gradle, anyone? In MS Build,
Task, I think.
yeah. Which script or command? Which script or command? Are you getting my points or not?
Yes.
Hello, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
Rajesh.
Yes, we are getting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So builder you selected, target, goal, task, this, that you selected. But whether Ant is installed in the agent or not, you have to ask, no, this one also. Because let's say you run ambient compile. Maven is not installed. So what do you do in this case? So you have to do this, correct? So what is your builder? So you ask question number 1, ask a question number 2, ask question number 3, ask question number 4, and last question. I'll not ask you too many questions here, where you want to send feedback. Right now, let's go with the email only. Feedback, where you want to send a feedback email. So guys, these 5 questions you have to ask yourself and then start configuring a job. That's all. It's so simple. Now, let me ask myself question number 1. Okay. This demo, guys, you might need it. After that, we'll have a break. So again, I'll not be able to repeat again. So you have to understand all this stuff very carefully to set up. Okay, so what is your technology? So mine is Java. Java is installed or not? Let me check. Java here. Java is there? Yes. Java hyphen hyphen version is there? Yes. Which version? 11, right? Yeah, 11. Okay, so this is done. Where is the source code? So guys, I've got the source code, sample source code in the GitHub URL. So I'm going to use that one. So you will all get this source code. You can use it. So I'm using Maven right now. Source code is in the GitHub and no password and all is required. No password is required. So this is the source code. When you want this build to be trigger, so let's make it every 15 minutes. Okay. What is your builder? So if I see the source code itself, I get to know it's Maven. And what is a goal? So guys, can you tell me what is a goal which we can use in Maven? All of you? All of you? Hello guys, am I audible?
Compile.
Clean install.
For
Compile.
compilation, you need compile goal. For testing, you need a test goal. For packaging, you need a package goal. For verify, you need a verify goal. For install, you need a install goal. Again, Guys, any topics which you don't understand, let's say Maven and Gradle, this, that, no need to worry. You can go to my channel, which is here, and you can watch those videos here at this place, and all the tutorials you will get available. Okay, so here I'll just put the URL here. Okay, so right now I'm just spoon feeding you. We have to use all this goal. Okay, so what is your builder? I got to know, Maven. Now whom you want to send the feedback to? So Rajesh at the rate of DevOpsSchool.com. Okay, so guys, these are the 5 questions I ask. Can I create a job now? So let's go ahead, create a job. Now guys, here you get a multiple templates. Don't use any template but freestyle. Go blindly with a freestyle. This is called first job. Click OK. This is my first job. Click OK. And now guys, as I said, everything is optional. Nothing is required. So this is divided into 6 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. General settings, source code management. When you want to trigger this job, setting up in the environment, calling the builder, post build action like email and something. So let's go for it. Where's the source code? Get. Let's say SBN, Perforce, and all this thing is not there, right? So what do we do in this case? Install plugins. So save it. Done. Build now. I just reached only till step number 2. Okay. Build now. Refresh. Build got failed. How do I troubleshoot? Look at the console output. Build is failing because of, see here,
Git plugin.
not plugin. Git plugin is there. Git tool is not there.
Okay.
At agent level.
Yeah. So what we do? Git is there. I told you, right? Look at this. That's the reason you should read my secret formula very well. Tool is installed in agent. So no. Yum install git hyphen y. Manually I'm installing it. Now can I run one more time? Second time. Build now. Build number 1 failed. 2 I'm checking. Refresh. Passed. Here it is. Console output. Checkout pass. Can I go to the build? Here workspace. This is the source code which got downloaded. I want to edit configure. Okay. So now source code management is done. Now step number 3rd. When you want this build to be trigger, here it is. Every 15 minutes. So guys, here build trigger. So many options are there. Don't get lost. I will cover, but right now stick to periodically. And here I don't know what to give it. It's basically cron job. Cron entries you have to make it. I don't understand. You see plus question mark. Click here and read this. You'll understand what to be fed in, and here every 15 minutes and apply. So guys, this is also done, which is called rule number 3. Now rule number 4, what is your builder? So where is the builder? Guys, build environment, I'll leave it is as it is. Build environment here, build, add build. Guys, here so many builders are there. Shell, Ant, Gradle, Maven, Windows Batch. If your builders are not there like MS Build, you can install plugin. Remember, answer for any functionality missing is plugin. So right now my is here. Now which goal you want? So I want compile, compile, and finally post build action. So many things are there. Let's not get lost. Focus on the goal. Whom you want to send a feedback? Rajesh, dap, dap, dap. Email notification, Rajesh Save it. Build now. Build number 3 got failed. Why? Let me see that. I see the checkout has happened completely correctly. Ambient compile, it got executed. I see cannot run program ambient. What is the problem, guys?
Ambient need to install.
Yeah, Maven need to be installed. Remember, the command will be coming from plugins, but not the tools. So Maven compile. Here you see, it's got failed. Before that, can I show you? Can I see that failures, which whether we got it or not? So let's look at this. And it should be in the spam actually. I'm just checking. It should come. It will take some time. It will send by the system because I see in the log sending emails to Rajesh DevOpsSchool.com. OK, so it's not come so far. It'll take some time because OK, so you'll take some time to get an email because it's a mail to functionality. System is sending an email, not SMTP. So this is the way. So guys, Maven is not installed. Now the problem here is Maven is not installed. How to fix it? So guys, we have 10 people, 20 people, 10 people in my team, and everyone is demanding different Maven version. See, I can install Maven in the system and then system path, but only one version, right? Not every version. See, I can get you one version, but you guys are demanding, no, I need my version itself on Jenkins. Are you understanding the problem here, right? I can give you one Java version, one any tools if I set at the path location, but how can I give you multiple version? Correct? Are you understanding this problem?
Yes.
Yeah. So this problem, I will solve it out with the help of Jenkins after the lunch break. So for that, you have to join me at 2 p.m. IST if you really want to know. And then I will complete this flow and then I will ask you to do the lab and plus few assignments. OK, anyone have any questions so far on that cover topics?
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.